Alright, yung gabi sa tanan. Last na lang. Okay. Ay, di na nga ako nga. Are. Okay, very good. Okay, and now we're down to our last topic, which is session number 23, sa reproductive system part 2. Okay. Common or concerning symptoms. Okay. Male ninigina, female. Okay. Sexual preference, sexual response. Use neutral non-judgmental questions. Are you in a relationship? Tell me about your relationship. Do you prefer partners who are women, men, or both women and men? Guys, parehas ang kagina, no, dapat sensitive kita or uh, daw balaan naton bla kung paano bahigon. Okay? Kasi syempre, ang mga questions nga ginagamit naton is super sensitive and of course, it has to be confidential. Kasi syempre, personal space kag personal life to siya sang patient, okay? When it comes to sex now, sexual preference, sexual response, ano iya prefer, okay? And how does he responds to it? Okay? Approximately 1 in 10 patients may have same sex, okay, bisexual, trans, okay? These patients often experience significant anxiety during clinical encounters, of course, related to fears, clinician acceptance, coexisting mental health conditions, sparse information, blah, blah. Lack of libido, okay, may arise from psychogenic causes such as depression, endocrine function, side effects, or of medications. Libido or sexual urge or desire, okay? Erectile dysfunction may be from psychogenic causes, especially if early morning erection is preserved. Also from this decreased testosterone, decreased blood flow in the hypogastric arterial system. Premature ejaculation is common, especially in young men. Less common is reduced or absent ejaculation affecting middle-aged or older men. Oh, okay. Possible causes are medication, surgery, neurologic deficits, or lack of androgen. Lack of orgasm with ejaculation is usually psychogenic. Psych gyapon na. Penile discharge or lesions to assess the possibility of genital infection from STD. Okay, of course, STD. Ask, have you had any discharge, leaking or dripping from your penis or staining on your underwear? So, question mo kung may gatulo-tulo or amo na blado may gagwa na discharge sa iya nga penis or nagastain siya sa underwear para ma-check kung may STD siya or may genital infection. Oo. Lesions. Penile discharge may kapag gonococcal, usually yellow, and non-gonococcal arthritis may be clear or white. Okay. Dope pus. Okay, yellow. Because STDs may involve other parts of the body, additional questions are often indicated. An introductory explanation may be useful. STD can involve any body opening where you have sex. It's important for you to tell me which openings you use. Okay? Kay base sa buli, amo na siya. Okay? Doon mo ning pinaka-safe na question, gid. Ha? And further as needed, you have oral sex, anal, amo na namin ko sa buli. If the patient's answers are affirmative, ask about symptoms such as sore throat, diarrhea, rectal bleeding, and itching or anal pain. Ano na? Scrotal pain, okay, or swelling. If the patient complains of pain or swelling in the scrotum, follow the old cart. Guys, old cart, best friend nyo halin sa una. Okay? Question yun na na. Kagang PQRST yun, abla. Okay? Provoke. Okay? Sa pain na siya, so i-question nyo man na. Okay? So, inguinal pain or swelling, inguinal pain or swelling may indicate inguinal hernia. This hernia may be unilateral or bilateral. When did it begin? Is the pain continuous or intermittent? Same lang man nga old cart. Ano, hernia pain and swelling are more likely to occur when internal abdominal pressure increases. Okay, sa tiyan, kung mamersabla, example, sa lifting, magakwat na, nagasakit pagid na. Problems with urination, the prostate gland wraps around the urethra. If the gland enlarges due to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, or cancer, the patient may experience urinary symptoms. Male older than 70 years are greater risk. Testicular self-examination, kung ang babae may BSE, breast self-examination, ang lalaki may testicular self-examination man. So every now and then, gina-check sang lalaki dapat ang iya nga testicles. Okay? Kung may gahabok-habok, okay, may bukol na, tubuan na siya, cancer or tumor, etc. Okay? The incidence of testicular cancer is low, about 5 per 100,000 men, but is the most common cancer of young men between the ages 15 and 35. When detected early, testicular carcinoma has an excellent prognosis. Okay. Risk factors include cryptorchidism. Anong cryptorchidism? Wala pa nag-descend ang testicles. Okay, wala pa na nangitlog. Kaya harapan na siya sa babaw lang. Which confers a high risk of testicular carcinoma in the descent testicle. Larig na baka ang descent testicle. History of carcinoma, contractile testicomas, orchitis, inguinal hernia, or a hydrocele in childhood. Encourage men. Of course, kung kamo nga nurse, dapat i-encourage yung ang mga lalaki nga mag-perform monthly testicular self-examination and to seek physician evaluation for the following findings. Painless lump, swelling, enlargement of either testicle, like gahabok ang isa. Pain, of course, pain and discomfort. Heaviness, fluid collection of the scrotum, dull ache, lower abdomen. Correct. Okay, amo ni ang mag-testicular self-examination. Guys, basahan nyo ni, tapos amo ni itudlo sa patient sa uli. Okay, kung paano mag-TSE, testicular self-examination. Ari, stand in front of a mirror, check the swelling, examine each testicle, roll the testicle gently between the thumbs and fingers, gamit naman. Okay? Kamo pwede man kung hindi ka ba lang patient, pwede nga kamo. Pero mas nami, ganyan ang patient, tudloan nyo guys. Kay self-examination na mo. Kung siguro wala sila kabalo na natitudloan nyo eh. Okay? Prostate cancer. Excluding skin cancer, prostate cancer is the leading cancer diagnosed in US men. Okay? And the second leading cause of death. Oy, grabe. Testicular cancer. Although lifetime risk of diagnosis is high, biological risk and mortality are only approximately 3. Okay. Age is increased with each advancing decade for after 50 years. Probability of diagnosis by age group 2.4% in men 40 to 59 years. 6.5% 60 to 69. Ethnicity for undetermined reasons, incidence rates are significantly higher than ay sa mga African American men gid usually ang at prostate men than in Caucasian men. Okay, nari siya. Family history, okay. Diet, serious socialization, and dietary fat gid man. Okay. Especially saturated fats, fats from animal sources. Okay, okay. However, the evidence remains inconclusive. Okay, other possible influences include selenium, vitamins E, D, lycopene, isoflavones. The optimal approach to prostate cancer screening remains controversial. The U.S. Preventive Services Task Force and blah blah blah. Okay. Men with symptoms of disorders, incomplete emptying of the bladder. Okay. Hindi siya maubos-ubos ang sa bladder. Tapos pero may kapangihi, urinary frequency, and urgent, dumangihi, gidayon. Weak or intermittent stream, hinay ang pag-ihi or hinay ang flow. Hematuria, gadugo. Okay, nocturia, kung gabi gabugtaw. Kay bangod nga mangihi. Or even bony pains in the pelvis. Ay, ang bony pains kasakit. Should be referred to a urologist. Men may be reluctant to report such symptoms but should be encouraged to seek evaluation and treatment early.